How to withdraw money from Coinbase to Revolut. If you wish to withdraw your money from Coinbase to Revolut, it is very simple. First of all, go to coinbase.com. Now, when you come to coinbase.com, you want to log into your account. Then click on your profile icon from the top right hand side. Then go to the option called settings. Once you go to settings, you will see this type of option. So here you can simply come to the option that says payment methods. So here you can see add a payment method. Make sure to click on it. Now under add a payment method, you can see there is no option to add Revolut. So what you do is you basically add a bank account, and that same bank account you want to add it to your Revolut account as well. And then you can withdraw the funds to your bank account, and from that bank account you can simply load the funds to your Revolut account. So that is the indirect way to do it. You cannot just directly withdraw it to your account, but what you can do is, as I said, you can go ahead and then simply select and withdraw from Coinbase to bank and from your bank to your Revolut. I hope the video have given you a clear idea. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.